If you are new in my channel, please watch this first. If you like this video, don't forget to like and of course, subscribe. So, let's go! Okay, good evening everybody. Please give me an applause. Okay, we continue our basic tutorial on how to create a 2x2 ID picture using Adobe Photoshop CE6. So, we have now part 1. So, this time, we continue our next content. So, the first content is how to crop 2x2 pictures, how to crop background, how to change the size, and how to change formal suit attire. And now, today, I teach you how to remove the pimples on your skin, especially into your face, or wrinkles. So, let's start now. Then, give me a clap. So, I have already opened my Adobe Photoshop CE6. Click File, then click Open. Okay. So, how to do this? Please watch the part 1. Attach the link below. So, please read the descriptions, okay? Again, the part 1 of this video tutorial is attached on the description below, okay? So now we notice that there is some pimples or wrinkles in his face. So now how to remove the pimples? We do this first. So very simple command. What's this? We do this slowly but surely, okay? So go to the other side. Okay? Just right click here and click Patch Tool. Okay? Click Patch Tool. So before we do anything, before we patch this, just go to the lasso tool. Okay? Now, you make a small circle here. Okay? Then, go to the patch tool. Then, go to the space of the skin that without pimples. Like here, drag here. So, you see, the pimples are removed. Okay? The pimples is gone. Okay? What's this? Drag to the side without pimples. Okay? So the pimples are gone. So clap. Now, so we add another technique. Okay? Example, this skin, white skin. So there is another, not a patch tool but a clone tool. Okay? So right click here and click clone stamp tool. So to resize this circle, just right click, okay? Right click, the window appear, resize, then you go here like this or like this. Making sure that you select the smooth, not a full hardness like this, because this is the result of the hardness, okay? I show you the hardness result, okay? Okay, so you see that there is something error here. So to undo, click Control in the keyboard, press Control Alt Z to undo. So now we use smooth. So the hardness is 0% and the size is, it depends the size of the effective area. So example, we need to remove this. So we resize, same size. Okay, now we choose the smooth, 0% hardness. So same procedure to the patch tool. Go to the skin without pimples or wrinkles. In the keyboard, hold Alt. Hold Alt. So you see the changes of the cursor. Remove Alt. Oh. Okay. Hold Alt. Then click here. One click or more click. The important is you click this area. And then release the Alt. And go to the affected area you need to clean. Okay. Then click here. So, or like this, or like this. So, what happened? You observe the dark skin here. So, we need to get the dark skin to put it here. Okay? So, hold the Alt, then click, then go to the white, and then click. Okay? So, we remove now the small white skin. Okay. Again, so this tutorial is very basic only and small times of effort to finish this. Okay. Example, here is the wrinkles. So, what do you call wrinkles? Okay, here. So just observe this skin. Do not get a skin here and put it here. So it is there is a very very bad move. Control Alt Z. So just get a skin here and put it here. Okay? So get it? Okay now, so example here. There is a pimples near in your beard. 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 Joke lang. Joke only. Bird. Okay? Beard, beard, or beard. So do not get a skin here to put it here. So there is something wrong. So just get a skin here and put it here. So there is something bird. Okay, now we clean this up. Again, hold Alt, then click here and put it here. Okay, that is a clone stamp tool. When you use a patch tool, just use a first lasso tool, then make it a circle, then click patch tool, and then move to the area that the same color. Okay, like this. Okay, so it depends on you where you are comfortable. It's your choice to use the lasso tool, combination of the patch tool, or the clone tool. So close. So like here. So this is very hard to get it, how to remove the pimple. So but you need to analyze the color of the skin. So do not remove the pimples. Use a patch tool and move here in the black. Okay. This is the example of the patch tool again. Patch tool again. Okay. You need to make a circle, then move to the skin with the same color. Okay. Like here, like or here. Okay. Control D. Oh, just once. So maybe, sorry I make this English tutorial because again I have a official group, international group of Adobe Photoshop, so I cannot post any language video but exclusive English language only. So I am very sorry. So my English is not straight, so it is okay. The important is you understand my tutorial, okay? So if you don't understand my tutorial, just watch and follow the cursor. Okay, the cursor of the mouse, where they going? Simple. Okay, now we finish this. I make this video 8 minutes up because you know why 8 minutes up. So, how about this? How to clean this? This is very hard. Okay? So, we need a clone tool. Clone. So, we need to big the okay, precise the size. So, we try this. We get a skin here and put it here. So, what is the result? Or the... Oh my God. Oh, see? So, applause. So, to make it equal, just add another bird. So, how about this? I don't know if this is wrinkles or no mole. This is a mole. So we remove this one. Okay. Okay, remove this all to make it plain and beautiful. So you observe when I get the skin here and put it here, so there is a big difference. So just get a skin here and put it here. So do not go far away from the area. Okay, so again, how about this? How to clean this up? So you need to explore your imagination. You need to analyze the situation. So do not get the skin here and put it here. So very complicated. Okay. So we need to get the skin here with a bird and put it here. So applause. For example, the pimple search. Oh, very simple. Just get a small tight here. Okay. Okay, applause. So no hair here, no hair here. So we need to make it big and put it there. Okay, so cheer. So this is the basic tutorial how to remove your pimples or wrinkles in your face using Adobe Photoshop CE6. If you learn these simple tricks and tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need to watch how to crop the 2x2 and 1x1 ID picture, please click the part 1. Attach the description below. Okay? Then thank you and applause.